Welcome back to my channel. So excited that you guys are here today. I wanted to just come and just really, first of all, say thank you so much for all of you that subscribed. It really means a lot to me. So what we're doing today is I'm really just focusing on social media. And so if you are, watching this and you are a cleaning business owner or any type of business owner, hopefully this gives you a little bit of inspiration to get it done. So I initially had a virtual assistant that was helping me with a lot of my postings, a lot of my social media. But some things just don't work out. So here I am just really having a productive session. And I did about an hour, fast forward through a lot of it, just, because I wanted to just do a voiceover for this. But just to really inspire you that even when, you try to go one route in your business and God pivots you to a different area in your business to focus on sometimes, that's okay. That's okay. It's interesting because what I'm doing here is I'm bulk scheduling my social media, and my goal is really to do this every Sunday. So every Sunday, I will go in, schedule everything, make sure it's to my liking, edit, um, add images, etc. That's really the goal. So, yeah, just being very, very productive. So, I hope that you guys just enjoy this video. And listen, if you're laying down right now, if you're watching TV, pull out your phone, pull out your laptop. Let's get it done. Visibility is important in your business, not just from a client attraction perspective, but what I've learned, especially in cleaning, in commercial cleaning, clients will look you up. They will look you up to see if you're active, what type of content you're posting, all of the above. So they want to know you're a real business and that you're actually doing business. So stay active online, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever floats your boat, LinkedIn. Just stay active. It definitely pays off. I've gotten clients that way. So enjoy this little working session, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Cheers. If you have made it this far in the video, I just wanted to pop back in really quickly just to let you know thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. I appreciate your time too. And hopefully you got something out of this video and you're getting value out of my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon tomorrow for the next video. Cheers.